Hi there, hi everyone. Hey Robin, show me a Sudoku Medium. Yes, good morning everyone. Yes, and good morning to you, Robin, my virtual assistant. Today in the daily newspaper of Monday, October the 11th, 2021. Yes, we have here a whole double page of puzzles. Yes, double page. But we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku and regular Sudoku. And in this additional, with I believe there are 6 extra puzzles. We have here a letter Sudoku, 2 stars, a 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. Those 2 puzzles are not interested, so 6 extra puzzles, and half of them I will solve. So 3 Sudokus in additional and 1 regular Sudoku. Yes, a medium Sudoku. In this case, let me focus the puzzle, and this will be a number 3, 5, 1, 9. 3519. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 9 and a 2. We have a 9 and a 2 in this row. So no 9 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. The 9 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Oh, we have a 2. So it's not a two numbers, only one number. Yes, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. Can I continue with the 9? Yes, 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. The 2. We have a 2. Wait. We have a 2. Let me see. 2 in this column. 2 in the last column. So the column between. Only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 place for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. All right. Can I do this again? That's the question. Okay. How about the number well, I'm thinking. How about the 1 in this column? 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Okay, and now. How about the 4 in the last row, the 4 in the row above? So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Yeah. Okay, fine. Then 3. We have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. Look, we have a 3 and an 8 in this row, so no 3 and an 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and an 8, we see there and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. All right. Then we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 8. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, and look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this row, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 box left in this last row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left. For the 4 should be there. Alright. Then we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Okay. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Therefore, no 4 here. Here 4, no 4 here. The only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Yes. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So on the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Okay. Then. How about 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, we see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and a 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have 8 there. So this box is going to be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. This box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box is going to be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. No. We have a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. And a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing, 3 and a 6, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Wow. Yes, I'm very, very pleased with the time because I'm faster than the time limit. Because for 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes, and I've completed in 40 minutes. So I'm well pleased, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Yes, see you later in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. In additional, a 3 stars, Sudoku, a tectonic, and a binary. Yes, thank you again for watching. Hey Robin, show me a medium Sudoku. Yes, that's my virtual assistant. See you then. Bye bye for now.